I just wanted to show you a quick introduction to when you first go into your dashboard, which is when you first log in. It opens your dashboard. This is just installed WordPress 5.9. You can dismiss that. And you can, it's really handy, you can move things around to make them as you like them. You don't have to live with what you've got here. If you press screen options, you can choose to delete the welcome, the WordPress events and news. I always turn that off, drives me mad. Quick draft could be sometimes handy depending on what you're doing. Activity lets you know what's been going on. So if there's, especially if there's more than you posting and things, you can see what's there. It's a brand new installation, so it's just got the basic information there, and that's it. And then you can close your screen options. I'm just going to put them all in a line, and you just click and drag. And when you've got a few things installed, this can be really handy because you're probably going to be logging in and out, looking at different things, and whatever is important to you is what you want to see. So that's my very quick introduction.